Hello guys and welcome back. In this lecture, I will explain how to move and copy worksheet from one workbook to another workbook. So currently I opened 3 workbooks. So if you see here, this is book 1. In this book 1, we have 4 sheets. Book 2, we have 3 sheets and one more worksheet or workbook that is nothing but a student data. So here in this workbook, only one sheet available. Now my scenario will be I want to move entire this particular data to book 2. So in this case, select this option, right click, choose move or copy option. If you click on this option, it will open one more pop-up. So here we have different kind of option. If you observe to book, it means wherever you want to move your sheet, select that particular book. Okay, so that's why it displaying heading as a to book. And also here we have before sheet option. So wherever you want to display that particular sheet, you want to select that particular option, it will display before that particular sheet. Now let's suppose I am choosing this light green. Now I want to move book 2 before sheet 1. If you observe here in book 2, this is book 2. In book 2, we don't have any data. Okay, in book 2 currently we don't have any data. If you observe here, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Right now we don't have any other sheets. Now whenever I choose this option before sheet 1, okay, click on OK. Now in book 1 we don't have this light green sheet, it moved to sheet 2. If you observe here, before sheet 1 it displayed here in under book 2. So this way we can move worksheet from one workbook to another workbook. Okay, now I will show you how to copy data from one workbook to another workbook. Now in this case I am going for the student data workbook. Here we have only one sheet with the student data. I want to copy same this data. Okay, so select this one, right click again, move or copy option. Now choose wherever you want to copy this data. It means choose destination workbook. I am choosing book 2. So where you want to display, so before sheet 3. Then choose create a copy option. Okay, then click on OK. Now whatever data presented inside this particular student data workbook sheet, all this data is copied to book 2. Now see, click on OK. Now see, here also it displayed under book 2 with the sheet name 1. Okay, why? Because it generated to already one sheet exit. To avoid duplicates, it's automatically generate this two. So this way we can move or copy one workbook sheet data to another workbook. Okay, so I hope you understand how to move and copy data from one workbook to another workbook. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, thank you.